Hi everyone, I'm Risa. In this lesson, I'll show you 3 common ways to say hello in Japanese. One of them should only be used in one specific situation. Can you guess which one? Stick around for the answer at the end. But first, if you want to start speaking Japanese from your very first lesson, sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod 101. Just click the link in the description. Click. Konnichiwa. This is probably the first Japanese word you learn for hello. It's the standard daytime greeting. Konnichiwa. 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 Domo. This is more casual way to say hello. It can sound more relaxed or friendly. This can also mean thank you or bye depending on the situation. Domo. Moshi moshi. In English, when you answer the phone, you say hello, right? In Japanese, you don't say konnichiwa, but it is moshi moshi. It sounds funny, right? But remember, you only use moshi moshi on the phone. Moshi moshi. Konnichiwa. Moshi moshi. Moshi moshi. Moshi moshi. So, did you guess it? The answer is moshi moshi. It's only used on the phone, so if you say it when you meet someone in person, it'll sound a little strange. Moshi moshi. See you next time. Bye.